charming, intelligent, engaged.
Oh, Ted, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, it was a long shot. I told her to call me anyway if she changes her
Hey,
mind,
Dashe.
but I don't know.
Whoa. Let's not skip over this. Raise your hand.
No.
Earlier today, you hit on an engaged woman.
Hello, Dashe.
Come on, Lily, don't
Hey,
make it like
Kudashe.
this again. On the night of July 2nd, 1947.
Oh, are you falling asleep?
Conditions were clear over Roswell, New Mexico.
Jeez.
Oh, hey, Ted, there's a message on the machine for you. Dr. O'Brien?
What? When suddenly an array of remedies.
Ted, hi. This is Dr. O'Brien. About today. Listen, I really need to talk to you. Call me. I'll be at the office all day.
The doctor will see you now.
What should I do? I should totally go down there, right?
Don't interfere. Some guy is expecting to marry this woman on Saturday.
Yeah, an 8.5 guy. Look, if I was marrying the wrong person and the right person was out there and knew it, I'd want that person to come down to my dermatology office and tell me so. In that scenario, I'm not interfering. I'm a happy ending.
Happy ending.
Look, I have to go down there. I don't know what's going to happen when I get there, but I got to give it a shot.
All right. See you later. Happy hunting.
Wait, where are you guys going? Don't you want to stay and see the cuckoos?
Yeah, we're gonna go make some crop circles.
Oh my God!
Holy crap, look, we got it. Wow, what do we do with it?
Calm down. I have a plan. I told my friends to be